Our next test is the Davies Test. This is the test of upper body agility and also stabilization and strength. We have two different measurements here. We have 36 inches and we have 24 inches. You need to determine which you're going to use in accordance with the height or the stature of your client. Historically, 24 inches have always been used for females and 36 for indeed males. So we're going to get our client on the 24 inches right here, and we're going to familiarize her with the protocol before we actually start. In the push-up position as such, as you can clearly see here, making sure that our body is in a rigid and a straight neutral position. And she's going to reach across and touch down with the hand and move it back over, and now move the other hand across and touch down. She has to have a full touch for it to comply with the rules and the regulations, and I'm going to count as many touches as possible for a duration of 15 seconds. And we'll repeat this 3 times. So let's see how you do. Are you ready? And begin. 1. And stop. 30. Have a rest, and then we're going to repeat it one more time. And that's impressive. There were some that were a little too high, so we need to make sure that we come down and touch down as the guidelines specify on the top part of the hand. So we're going to run this one more time. We're going to give our client sufficient recovery, and we're going to run it one more time. 30 was what you had first, but there were 4 that weren't legit. So we're going to run it again. So I would say 26 is what you got to beat. Okay? Great speed, great agility, great strength. How do you feel?
Good.
Ready to go?
Yes, sir.
And remember, from 24 to 24. Your 15 seconds starts now. Go! And stop. That was 30. Again, good technique. You could clearly see and hear the contact, which is good. The postural alignment was perfect throughout. There was no compensations, no sagging of the back, so a legitimate 30. And this could be her relative capability, which you will then assess probably 4 or 6 weeks later to see if she's got an improvement in her upper body agility and strength and stability of the shoulder, but also the intrinsic core muscles.